All right. Now we will work on basics of Python and we will start from data types. So what you have to do, you have to create a new file called part1 in now like if you it's better if you make file like this from here. So you can write there part1 and that will be data type. Good. And then dot .ipy and they. Yes, very nice. Let's save this. Okay. So what first thing we will do? We learn about there are mainly two kinds of data.
You,
Oops, it should be kinds, not kids.
yeah.
Okay. There should be three kinds of data, like two kinds of data. Number one, we can categorize one as text.
It's not spell text.
Yes. And number two, we have numbers. And number three, we have nothing. Okay. And then we write there further, we have categories. Okay. In numbers, we can have integer, float, and then we have Boolean, complex, these numbers. Let's code. Okay, if I run it, it will look like this. So it's your task. You have to save a text into the variable X and print that text.
One sec. It's a Boolean complex. Okay.
Yes. You have to write
So
X is equals to any text. You can write your name as your text. Okay. But remember, it should be a string, right?
oh yeah.
Okay. Let's say
These
we write a strings like this. Three dots are also acceptable. But to make things easy, we just write like this. Okay. So this is the Noah, and we can also print the type. We say print X, and that's it. Okay, it is trying to find the kernels, but unfortunately it cannot find. So we have to solve this error. So to do that, let's just check, is it have any Python installed or not? So we just see like a test.py file. It should be not ppy, but py. Okay. X is equals to 100. Okay.
1,000.
1000. Okay. No, there's no such thing like a play. So what we do, we check if there's anything like a Python out there or not. So we just check Python. Yes, we have those extensions already installed. Okay. So it looks like there's something wrong with the Visual Studio Code. So I believe there's something wrong with the Visual Studio Code. In the settings, okay. I think what we have to do, we have to close it and reinstall. So people will also learn how to install Visual Studio Code. Okay, we go to the Launchpad and VS Code. Yes. Okay, now we have to find the VS Code in the Launchpad. No, we don't have to open it, no.
It's right
Could you-
here.
Yes, can you please share your screen again?
Yep.
Okay, please go to Start menu, Launchpad.
Okay.
Okay, just search it, VS. Oh, no, it's okay. It means the Visual Studio Code is not properly installed in your computer. So what we have to do, we have to go to Anaconda Navigator. No, for some reason, I'm not able to. All right, so we are back. So here, if you see this one, it is working now. So now you have to save a number to the variable y and print it.
How do I do that?
Simply, you can define a variable name and then you can write equals to any number, like for example, 2000.
So like y equals 2000.
Yes,
No,
and then we
not
print that. Okay, now we print y, so it will look like this. Now we print a boolean. So we say O is equals to true. And we print O. Okay. O is equals to O is equals to true. So that's a boolean. We can print a boolean like this.
I clicked tab. I clicked tab.
Yes, please don't press tab too much. It's creating an issues. Okay. Now if I say U is equals to 10.2. So 10.2, that is a float, right, Noah?
Yeah. We taught
Okay.
me.
Please also write a comment with this. Write a comment with this as it's a boolean.
Float. Whatever this is, and this. What is this again? What'd you call this?
Boolean.
Okay.
Please don't
Okay.
press tab. Too much tab is not good. Okay, you have to write a hash and then you have to type boolean like this.
Yeah, I clicked tab for
Please
it.
also write with this as an integer. You have to write a hash and then integer.
I did.
Okay, good. And with it, please write a string. So we will have the details about all the data structures. Okay, please write a hash with this and write it as a string. Okay, perfect. So this is our first topic about data types. I think this is okay for right now.
Next, what's the next set? Pads.